Good morning. Today we're at another rental house from one of our customers. It's a 23 square home. We should have this finished around 2 o'clock today. This is a pretty easy roof. You're putting some more certainteed landmarks on it. The weather's finally cooperated. We've been having rain almost every day. It's been really hard to get things scheduled. Looks like things are on our side now. Guys have got everything tarped off nice. Able to get the truck up close to the house makes a huge difference. Cleanup time. This roof is just in bad repair. Remove the steeple. This is a leak issue. Well, we'll have a nice new roof on this in a few hours. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep you updated.